Text message.
Lunch drunk, crazy, bets on me. Back mid scroll, Armageddon arcade. Walking the wild, walking the wild. Don't know why. Cosplay cowgirls and numberless chats. We're feeling just fine in our running hats. Walking the wild, walking the wild. I don't know why. I don't mind the hustle and the tussle. I don't mind the grind. I don't mind pretending we don't see these signs. I don't mind the hustle and the tussle. I don't mind the grind. You and me dancing on Armageddon time. Armageddon time. Try to unplug it and turn it back on. Try to unplug but the feeling's gone. Walking the wild, walking the wild. You don't know why, you don't know why, you don't know why. Radio play in the cesspool stream. Oh, running down nightmares that used to be dreams. Walking the wild, walking the wild. And I don't know why. I don't mind the hustle and the tussle. I don't mind the grind. I don't mind pretending we don't see these signs. I don't mind the hustle and the tussle. I don't mind the grind. You and me dancing on Armageddon time. I don't mind the hustle and the tussle. I don't mind the grind. I don't mind pretending we don't see these signs. I don't mind the hustle and the tussle. I don't mind the grind. You and me dancing on Armageddon time.
Text message.
But you think you're doing it wrong. High pressure underground. Your body's on time, made it. Your body's on time, made it. Pretty pictures from the upward bound. When the thunder hits, it doesn't make a sound. World's in a hurry just to be let down. Wearing your worry like a wedding gown. Your body's on time, you made it, you made it. Your body's on time, you made it, you made it.
Be clean and neat and be on time.
Take a minute, catch your breath.
Muchas gracias por acompañarme hasta el final. Espero que este proyecto te haya inspirado a reutilizar materiales y crear algo con tus propias manos. Ahora quiero saber tu opinión. ¿Quieres que en el próximo video les agreguemos los pantalones y que completemos estos minions? Déjamelo en los comentarios porque leo todas sus ideas y muchas veces las uso para los siguientes proyectos. Si te gustó este video, regálame un me gusta, suscríbete al canal y activa la campanita para no perderte los próximos tutoriales. Nos vemos en el siguiente video.